Welcome back, YouTube. Same shit, different day. Just come out today, me and my boy. Teach him how to stay alive when it's pissing down with rain. We haven't had no thunderstorms. Yard was a week ago. Last hour and a half. The longest one I can remember is 8 hours. Yeah. So anyway, we got soaking earlier on. I mean soaking wet. And it was quite hard work to get a fire going as well, to be honest with you. Just damp. Even when it was a splitter, it's just fucking damp as hell. But just going like a beast now. And the sausages. I haven't seen any signs of a little friend yet though. I didn't see nothing. The big cat. I haven't seen nothing at all. Last time I was going night hiking, I seen two yellow eyes staring at me. And I went back up there the next morning and there was nothing there. So I reckon I saw it there. But since then I haven't seen nothing. No sheep kills, nothing. Anyway, fuck the fucking big cat. Guys wanna get start fucking prepared in, don't know? World's going to shit there. Well, fucking already have. Anyway, stay safe guys, have fun.